Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 10. This module, we're continuing with the topic of the AR verbs and questions. So some of the information is the same as Module 9 with the AR verbs, regular AR verbs and questions. But we also have some articles to read because this module, we have a discussion board about folk remedies. So some of you even mentioned that in your field-specific project or in previous discussion boards, and now we're going to look a little more closely at them. I think you'll find the topic really interesting. So make sure you read those articles and get your initial post in by Wednesday. Up here on the readings and resources, so we have the pages, some things to listen to, a conversation to listen to see if you can understand. But we also have upcoming assignment final project and a video. This is an older video, but the information is the same about the final project explanation. So I do not want you to start working on the final project yet because we still have a lot of topics to cover that need to be in the final project. But I just want you to start thinking about the final project because the final project is a video and you need someone to film the video with. So it can either be a classmate or like a family member or friend, but you need to find somebody. And I just want you thinking about it now so we don't get to like week 14 and you're like, I can't find someone to film my video with. So start reaching out to people now, get it set up now, even though I don't want you to actually work on it yet because we have a lot more to cover first. Just think about it. So like I said, we have our regular homework packet. We have the discussion board about the folk remedies, the speaking assignment. You're going to ask those questions, and then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.